Options and concise setup to stream World Cup 2026 to every TV via NordVPN. On your router, one best. Install NordVPN on a compatible router assist. Merlin, Dirdit, Open, Gal, iNet, Rocos, etc. Follow NordVPN's router guide. Pick NordLynx or Open, connect to the broadcaster's country server, and connect TVs to that router. Too easier. No flashing. Buy a pre-configured VN router Flash Router's Privacy Hero, or an off-the-shelf model that supports NordVPN. Plug it into your modem and join TVs to its Wi-Fi 3 dual router flexible. Use a second router as a VN router behind your main router. Put all TVs on the VN router and keep other devices on the main network. 4-device hair fallback. If router setup isn't possible, run NordVPN on a Windows or Mac laptop. Connect it to a VN server and share that connection via Ethernet or Wi-Fi hotspot to individual TVs or cast from the laptop. Also possible via Android or iPhone hotspot limited. Key settings and tips. Protocol. NordLynx WireGuard for max speed. Open. If router lacks NordLynx support, use a server in the broadcaster's country. Test multiple servers for reliability. For 184K, ensure home, internet upload or download 8 Mbps 180p or 25 plus MPs 4000 per stream. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. Disable IPv6 on router to avoid leaks. Enable kill switch where available. If broadcaster blocks VN IPs, try other SAMA country servers, a dedicated IP NordVPN add-in, or smartphones. Where supported, pitfalls. Some smart EV apps detect VNs and may block playback. Using the broadcaster's web player on a connected device often works. Router VN applies to all devices on that network you can't pick. Per device servers unless the router firmware supports. Split annealing. Use a second router for mixed networks.